6:42 this morning, and if you look at the national picture, you can kind of draw a line where there is a cold front all the way up in Wisconsin, down through Missouri, Oklahoma, and then it kind of loses it a little bit as you go into Texas, because this thing is slowing down and will be stalling out a little bit later on today. It is not going to be arriving in our area probably until Tuesday night. We do think it's going to be stalled out for about a day and a half or so, and we'll start moving again, and we'll arrive Tuesday night and finally cool us down. But it's not going to be doing a whole lot, even when it gets moving again. It's these kind of fronts that stall out and then start moving again tend to not pack much of a punch, and this one is going to be one of those. Could there be a couple showers around this morning? It's possible, but I do think most of us are going to be staying dry. The clouds thickening up a little bit, but for the most part today, there is still going to be some sun. I think at times it'll be partly cloudy. Other times the clouds will thicken up again and be mostly cloudy, but we'll still be seeing some fairly good sunshine today, which is why it's going to be another warm day. It's also looking breezy. I think we'll be seeing gusts around 25 miles per hour, maybe even close to 30 as you get out towards the coast. 5 o'clock looking dry, and even this evening still looking dry. I do think the clouds will thicken up some, and most of the night will be mostly cloudy, but looking like it's going to stay dry. We could see a couple more showers return for tomorrow morning, but most of us once again will probably stay dry. In general, it's looking a little bit cloudier tomorrow than today. I still think there'll be a few peaks of sunshine around, but probably not a lot. And with a few more clouds around, that'll probably keep us a little bit cooler, but not much. Still a fairly warm day, highs in the upper 70s. But we get to Tuesday night, and there you kind of see a little bit of a line of rain, but I think it's going to be a broken line of showers, and I do think there are going to be some even when that front does arrive and moves over us through the early morning hours Wednesday. And there's still going to be some in the valley that are going to miss out, and it's looking like light rain showers where the rain does occur, no heavy rain, and no severe weather to worry about for sure. A few showers possible this morning, but for the most part, it's just going to be a partly to mostly cloudy day. I'd put the rain chance about 10%. Most of us are not going to be seeing rain. Everybody's going to have breezy conditions, though, today. Gusts will average around 25 miles per hour in the valley, a little bit breezier out towards the coast, a little bit lighter winds as you go out to the west. Highs will be around 81. Tonight, still looking like a very mild night, mostly cloudy. Winds light out of the south-southeast. We're not going to cool down all that much. Once again, we'll be waking up temperatures pretty close today, probably low to mid-60s in most places. A normal low this time of year is 48. Don't think we're going to be anywhere close to that. We do have that rain chance again through Wednesday afternoon, a chance for a few showers. But really, when you look at all across the country for the next 3 days, not a lot of heavy rain. In fact, the only place we're concerned about some minor flooding might be in northern California, but nowhere else in the country. Again, this front, not a very strong one, and when you look at rainfall totals, I think there'll be some that could end up seeing no rain over the next 3 days. Most of us will end up seeing a little bit, but we're talking about probably in most places a few hundredths of an inch, tenth of an inch rain. I think at most, if you get a couple rounds of showers, a quarter inch, but that's going to be about it. Pretty unimpressive rainfall totals. We will be cooling down, though. Upper 70s tomorrow, not much cooler. The more dramatic cool down will be Wednesday, basically getting us back close to normal for this time of year, upper 60s, and then we're going to start warming up right away on Thursday. Actually, if I had to pick the nicest day over the next 7 days, I'd say Thursday. Upper 50s to start, low 70s, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Looks like we'll stay completely dry. Still warming up on Friday, but a rain chance could begin as early as Friday evening ahead of our next cold front. Now, when exactly that front arrives on Saturday is still in question. Right now, we do think it's going to be somewhat cooler on Saturday, but that temperature is subject to change depending on the exact timing of when that next front arrives. It does look like a stronger front than the one that's going to be arriving Tuesday night, though, and that means low 50s Sunday morning and maybe just the low 60s in the afternoon on Sunday. Still a chance for isolated showers and mostly cloudy skies Saturday and Sunday. Well, more news coming up in just a bit.